Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial from T-Styles World. First, I'm going to be cleansing the face using my micellar water from Blossom. Next, I'm going to be applying my clear eye drop on the eyes just to relieve the eyes of any stress. Next, I'm going to be applying my foundation. I did my prep off camera. I'm going to be applying my foundation to the face. Sorry, the video is kinda dark. That's because there was no light, so I just had to depend on natural lighting to do this video. I'm applying my foundation and then I'm blending it out using my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to be applying blush on her face, so I'm applying this on the apples of her cheeks and then I'm blending it towards the forehead. Next, I'm going to be highlighting the under eyes with my nose, cupid's bow, chin and forehead using my Born This Way concealer. And now I just go in with my beauty blender and blend all that concealer evenly. Next, I'm going to be applying my contour using my Avo concealer in a very dark shade, and then I'm just going to be blending that out with my beauty blender. I'm going to be doing nose contour as well with the same concealer, and then I'm creating a Y shape just to make the nose look a little bit more snatched than it already looks. Now I'm going to be setting my under eyes with my setting powder. I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder to set my forehead, chin and all the places I liked it basically. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Sylvie MAC powder palette and I'm going to be using that to just set the entire face, places I applied the foundation. Next, I'm going to be contouring her face using my Sephora powder in the shade Almond. I'm using that same powder to also do my dry contour on the nose. Next, I'm going to be hydrating the face so all that powder can just sink into her face. I first of all used my hydrating spray, then I went over with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Now I'm going to be doing my reverse contour and then bake under the eyes in case of any eyeshadow fallout. Next, eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow base and then I go in with a brown shade from Meet the Brown eyeshadow palette. That's the Annie's Beauty. I apply that brown towards the outer corner and then blend it out towards the inner corner of the eyes. For the lid, I'm just going to be using a nude shade. I used my Annie's Beauty eyeshadow palette in Nude's Happy Bride. Next, I'm going to be smoking the under eye and I'm using a black shade to just smoke my under eye. I'm lifting my eyes now using my beauty blender and powder. I'm going to be lining using my Taylor Cosmetic gel liner, and to be honest, this is like the best gel liner I've found so far. Next, I'm going to be going over with my blush again. I'm just trying to check and balance the face. I go over with my blush and then I put my mascara under. I fixed my lashes off camera. I'm applying my highlighter now. And lastly, I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm using my Beyond Beauty lip stain to apply that brown shade as my liner. Next, I'm going with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip stain and I'm just applying that all over the lips, and then I added another color. I added gloss to the lips and I further went back in with my brown lip stain to darken the outline of the lip. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.